So you think the driving rates have like they've probably gone down for you in the past year?
Definitely less surges, and the quests, they're definitely lower than what they used to be.
Yeah.
100%.
Yeah, I've been hearing that a lot too.
Yeah.
So, do you know of like any scams that Uber drivers should look out for?
Um, I had a few times that my passenger they try to cancel in like a mid ride, and
Oh, yeah.
yeah, and they think they're gonna get their money back, but you're getting paid for the miles that you did. So at the moment they cancel the ride, you get paid from what you drove, and that didn't really work. But they tried to say that you are the one that canceled the ride, and they tried to get them to where they want to go, or
Yeah.
I mean stuff like that. But other than that, I cannot remember for like some like big scam that they try to pull on me. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So being like such a